is the highest goal scorer in the history of football. Over 900 goals and counting. He is also the most followed person on social media with over 100 crore followers. Most importantly, his entire country's name is directly attached to his name now.
Italy.
Italy Ireland.
Italy.
இது
Morocco.
ஓ இதுதான் மொரோக்கோவா?
அது
Vietnam.
வியட்நாமா?
இது
Spain.
அது
Ronaldo.
How can someone achieve so much in just one lifetime? Take notes, guys, because we are about to witness the story of once in a lifetime kind of a legend. This is Cristiano Ronaldo, who is, without a doubt, one of the most recognized human beings on our planet.
Yes, in my mind, I'm always the best. I don't care what the people thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best.
Cristiano, you did it again.
But what if I told you that the same man was once an unwanted child? His mother, in fact, thought of not having him out of poverty. The same guy who now owns fleet of supercars was once begging for burgers at McDonald's because his family couldn't afford food. Hence, listen to this carefully. This is not just a sports story. This is a blueprint to building legendary success from absolute nothing. And so today, we are not just talking about football, we are trying to decode the Ronaldo method of cracking UPSC. Welcome back once again to Inspired series by Vajiram and Ravi. My name is Richa Sharma, and today we are going to learn the life story of the greatest of all times, the GOAT Cristiano Ronaldo, a living example of discipline, resilience and relentless hard work. Now let's rewind and let me take you to Ronaldo's childhood. It was Madeira where he was born, a small volcanic island where his family was living in impoverished condition, struggling with poverty. His father was working as a municipal gardener and also a part-time kit man in the local football club. Now this is where the story will start building up towards creating the greatest of all time footballer of our time. Now this is where you can start connecting the dots, and this frugal job actually paved the opportunity for young Ronaldo and started developing his interest towards football. His father, however, struggled with alcohol addiction, which affected the family's financial condition and emotional stability. This also eventually led to the liver damage of his father and ultimate death when Ronaldo was just 20-years old. Now, to raise the 4 children, his mother had to work multiple jobs, being a cook, being a housekeeper, to sustain the family. The financial situation was literally dire. And Ronaldo was not even a prodigy student at his school. In fact, he was expelled from his school for throwing a chair at his teacher. All his focus, all his energy was only on one thing: football. And due to this focus and passion, just at the age of 12, our young Ronaldo got the opportunity to join the Academy of Sporting CP in Lisbon. This meant leaving his family, his friend and everything that he knew.
But it was just to finish in that chapter was the most difficult moment, the last since my dad died. It was this moment that I passed through the last 6 months. It's something that I want to hold for the rest of my life. I'm not thrown to the ocean or to the sea. I keep with me there next to my dad. I don't know if you check, I have a small church down, and
you do?
Yes, I do.
Can you imagine a 12-year-old boy living all by himself in the city, because even the family couldn't visit him frequently because of their financial constraints? He was bullied for his accent, for being skinny. He later admitted that he cried himself to sleep every night. But did he pack his bags and go? No. Why? Because he had a clear burning goal. He exactly knew what he wanted. How many of you have left your family, your hometown, to prepare for one of the toughest examinations of India? How many of you feel out of place, that you don't have the genius IQ or the elite background to crack this exam. Listen closely to Ronaldo's story. The story tells us that your foundation will not decide your future, that the longing for home and the feeling of being an underdog is not a setback, it is a fuel. So channel it. Now let's enter into the heart of the football debate. Messi versus Ronaldo. People say that Messi was a natural genius, he was a talented guy, and Ronaldo, he was a hard worker.
Look at a Cristiano Ronaldo at the age he is right now, and he's got what?
And you're a big fan of his.
I'm a huge fan of his. He's got 8% body fat at that age. I mean, that's ridiculous. That's just unbelievable. That shows you the commitment. He's a product of hard work and skill, and that's what I believe in.
And nobody ever doubted that. Even Italian footballer Antonio Cassano has put it perfectly. Messi is a genius and Ronaldo is a machine. Messi paints the pictures and Ronaldo breaks records. A machine, huh? What does a machine do? A machine performs consistently, relentlessly, day in and day out. It doesn't have off days based on mood. That, my dear friend, is known as discipline. And discipline is the core brand of Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo, what's the biggest key to your personal success?
The discipline of Cristiano. The discipline is unbelievable. I never see this.
Maybe Ronaldo didn't have the best of talents, but he built his body as a weapon for his game. Look at his evolution. From being a skinny kid to literally being a physical powerhouse. He jumps higher than some of the NBA players. Do you remember that iconic acrobatic goal? How is he able to pull this off? Thousands of hours in gym. He spends $1 million a year just on his body. He's known for sleeping in segments with an oxygen chamber to heal his body. This isn't just passion. This is an obsession with the process. Do you see this water bottle? How powerful can it be? Well, Ronaldo was so disciplined that he once moved 2 Coca-Cola bottles aside during a press conference and held up a water bottle saying agua, which means water. That single move wiped off $4 billion out of the Coca-Cola's market chart. That's the power of his brand. The brand of discipline. Now guys, there's another side of Ronaldo as well. You have seen so many influencers around you, right? Well, Ronaldo is undoubtedly the father of all influencers. Let me tell you a story. Last year, Ronaldo did something unexpectedly. He launched his YouTube channel. An ordinary thing to do, everybody is doing it, all the celebrities are doing it. But listen to it carefully. There was no match, there was no trophy, no goal, just a simple announcement. And what happened next even shocked the entire tech world. In just 90 minutes, he crossed 1 million subscribers. In one night, 20 million. By 4th day, 42 million subscribers, breaking records of even the full-time YouTubers. Crazy, right? And when he returned back to Manchester United, his number 7 jersey broke all the records of sales. In just 3 days, the club made over £70 million just because of the sale of his number 7 jersey. In South Korea, people paid 2.5 lakh for one ticket to just see him play a friendly match. He could not show up, so they filed a court case and won compensation for mental stress. You want to hear more about his influence? He is the most followed person on Instagram. His one post is worth more than 200 crore rupees. He has his own brand chain, CR7, which has a range of fragrances and hotels, gym, clothes, etc. All of it is worth $1 billion. All based on the back of his brand of discipline. So Cristiano Ronaldo clearly isn't just the greatest footballer. He has built himself into an entire empire, and that, my dear friend, is the power of discipline, which we all underestimate. But discipline is not the only recipe to build a great personality. You also require resilience, because the road is never straight. The road is almost never smooth. And Ronaldo's life also has been a roller coaster of extreme highs and devastating lows. You know, at the age of 15, Ronaldo was diagnosed with a cardiac condition which is known as tachycardia. This would not allow his lungs and heart to perform well while playing any sport. Doctors already gave up and they said that this could be a very big impediment to his football career. Ronaldo did not give up, he was resilient, he went through a very tough heart surgery and came out as a winner that we see him today. And as we all know, success comes with its own baggage of setback. Ronaldo, after gaining the popularity, had to face a lot of serious legal battles. Allegations of rape cases, allegations of tax evasion.
After being accused of rape,
Cristiano Ronaldo, Portuguese footballer, tweeted that rape is an abominable crime.
I firmly deny the accusations being issued against me. Rape is an abominable crime that goes against
Cristiano Ronaldo, as he arrived in court to plead guilty to tax evasion.
Each one threatening to destroy his public image and his mental peace. And through all of this, what did he choose to do? He did not allow these extreme events to shake his focus even for a single day. He did not retire from his daily routine for a single day. This is what his even coach tells us. Even when he was amid a lot of legal battles, he would still show up on the pitch, perform his best, broke records and lifted trophies. So he learned basically to keep the noise outside and to stay very calm, focused on the one mission, the one purpose he had in his life. So my dear friends, if you're wondering what does it take to become a success, to become the greatest of all time, the GOAT like Cristiano Ronaldo, here is the Ronaldo blueprint. So what is the Ronaldo method? Number 1, always and always embrace your struggles. No matter where you're coming from, your humble beginnings should not shake your confidence, it should fuel you. It is not a matter of shame, it will eventually grow you to fame. Second, become a machine. Talent might open the doors for you, but it is only and only relentless hard work and discipline which will keep you in the room. So fall in love with the process, especially the process of competitive examinations, and do not dwell upon the results so much. Third, try to build a legacy. See, how do we generally perceive success? Winning an examination or winning a trophy? Not exactly. Success is not about just winning or having personal achievements. It is about creating impact. It is about creating influence, the positive one among the society, for yourself, for your family, for the people and the society around you. And this is why Ronaldo, with the help of his brand of discipline, was able to become the biggest success because he was able to influence a lot of people to choose a lifestyle like his. And this is how we build a legacy. So whenever in doubt, do not just think about the immediate goal, but the overall impact you want to have in the society. Fourth, discipline is not enough. Also try to build the resilience because, listen to me very carefully, setbacks are bound to happen.
может быть 2-0. Действительно, Лукас Васкес бьет и Буфон выручает. Но Джорджо Киелини, они уже 857 матчей. Какой голешник, боже ты мой! Вот после этого точно можно заканчивать, по крайней мере, на сегодня, потому что лучше мы уже не увидим совершенно точно ничего. Феноменальный гол Криштиану Роналду. Потрясающе, гениально, изумительно. Невозможно что-то придумать еще, чтобы это описать. Давайте просто смотреть и наслаждаться. Все ясно в этой паре. Джорджо Киелини 900 матчей почти сыграл, наверное, вместе с Буфоном.
Failures will be crossing your path every now and then. It is not exactly the setback, but your reaction to that setback which determines your destiny. This goal that you just saw, this wasn't just hit out of sheer luck. It was a culmination of thousands of jumps practiced in an empty football ground, day in and day out, repeatedly, with a lot of discipline and perseverance. Your goal, your final rank will be the same thing. It will look like a moment of brilliance to the outside world, but you and I will know it was forged in the silent, disciplined and relentless hours that you have poured in like a machine when nobody was watching. So next time you open up that dense book that you have to read, next time you come across some tough mock test, or next time you feel like giving up, just ask yourself one question. What would Ronaldo do? He wouldn't quit. He has never. He would train harder. He would focus. He would believe in the process, and so should you.
Because everyone wants to be Cristiano, but I give you the map. You think you will do it that?
The discipline is in another level. I see professional football players and stuff like that, but someone that's been there every single day and don't stop, that's Cristiano.
So thank you so much for watching. If this connected with you, then hit that like button and subscribe. Now go and conquer the world. Till we meet again.